Welcome to the workflow.
The show where we unlock the secrets of creative productivity and automation. I'm Moto, your host for the show. And today we're diving into something that can save you hours every week.
How to create your own AI agent in Atlassian.
Ever wish your tasks could organize themselves? Or that you had a digital assistant to handle the boring stuff so you can focus on what matters? By the end of this episode, you'll know exactly how to set up an AI agent in Atlassian to automate your workflow. No coding required. Ready to level up your productivity? Let's get started.
Welcome back. Let's jump right in. Step 1. Open your Atlassian dashboard. Look for the Studio menu on the left, click it. Then select AI Agents. If you don't see this option, make sure your admin has enabled AI integrations. You can browse for already pre-made agents for majority of tasks. We will proceed with a freshly made agent. Proceed to hit close. Once back to the overview page, click Create an Agent button. You will get two options. Choose Rovo Agent for this exercise. You'll see a new screen with a greeting message, a manual setup button, and few instruction. All the way to the right, you have our Atlassian default AI agent, Rovo. Today, we'll use the Project Manager Agent Profiles template provided by our dev team. We will go ahead and copy the entire profile. Paste it into the chat. This will give your new agent its personality, instruction, and name. Go ahead and change your agent a name if you like, something memorable, like TaskBot or Workflow Genie. Go ahead and follow a few instructions. Until you get to Review Agent. At this point, you are pretty much done. Proceed to click Activate. This will take you to your agent's overview section. From here you can click Test and start chatting with your agent, as well as improve your agent. Go ahead and ask your agent a questions, or click on the predetermined question like, what is the current status of my projects? And there you have it. You brand new AI agent ready to assist in your Atlassian workplace. Congratulations! You've just created your first AI agent in Atlassian. If you found this helpful, hit like, subscribe, and share this episode with your team. Got questions or want to see more advanced automations? Drop a comment below or tag us on social media. And don't forget, next week, we'll show you how to add skills to your AI agent to perform real-time updates. Thanks for watching The Workflow. See you in the next episode.